Hello everybody, it's 3:32 and 22 seconds. This is the main drawing for Avengers number 4. I'm going to go down to go to the 38 spots, and then I will go right back up through the 38 spots. As I mentioned numerous times before, please do not send me a payment unless I have confirmed you have a spot in one of these things. Okay? So, here we go. Here's our 3 dice. Number is Lucky 7. And away we go. Name at the top of the list gets the book. It goes out in tomorrow's mail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7. Ed Piler. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Spot number 6. Congratulations. The time is 3:33 and 28 seconds.